In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use Cash App without a debit card. So there are a few things that you can do instead of using or connecting a debit card to Cash App. Now, the first thing that you can do to use Cash App without a debit card is scanning QR codes. So if you want to make a payment here, we will click on this icon in the top left, and it's basically going to open up your phone's camera, and you can scan a QR code and make a payment that way if you have funds in your Cash App balance. Now, another thing that you can do instead of having a linked debit card is click on your profile, scroll down until you see the section for linked banks. As you can see, I have no linked debit card, so I'm just going to click on this button, and instead I can choose no card. Now here it's going to load up a list of all of the different banking institutions. So if I click on continue, then I can choose any of these banking institutions, online providers to actually connect my account with. So for example, if I want to use let's say Wells Fargo account here to make payments, it's gonna refer me to the Wells Fargo page, and I can just log in. As you can see, it tells us that it has over 12,000 institutions, so you can find your online provider here and you can connect it without actually having to connect a debit or credit card. And that's basically it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.